Morning everybody, Headley speaking here, Westfield Sports Car Club. Thought we'd do something different today. We normally do loads of videos for you, but today we're going to actually add presents. Oh. He's the good looking one, that's Rob. I'm the old timer, Headley. We're all part of Westfield. Take a look at the cars. Today we're at Huggy's, which is a well, what is it actually? It's like a motorcycle
restoration company.
So motorbike restoration company. They have well, you'll see the motorbikes in a wee while, but it's at Mallory Park, so in the summer we're going to be on that track too. But as I said, we're trying to do something a little bit different, add a bit of personality to the Westfield Sports Car Club, and not just my personality, it's going to be everybody. But yeah, we've got a nice little array of cars coming out here today. Get involved, join us, follow us all on social media. We're on all of the platforms that you can do. Westfield Sports Car Club, have a good nose, get involved. Any kit, whatever kit you've got, come along, join the club, follow us. Dale, tell me, this electric malarkey, is it any good?
It ain't working.
It ain't working?
It's not working.
Well, that's not the first time we've ever heard of that, have we? But it's cheap, isn't it?
Apparently. Yeah.
Apparently it's cheap.
It don't work in this car though.
Well, look good. Electric Westfields, watch this space. Literally. You're one of those blokes full of shit.
Good man, good man.
Okay, morning folks. Westfield Sports Car here still. I thought it was about time we meet some of the owners, so be warned, I'm coming for you. But firstly, we're going to meet this guy.
Morning.
Get my camera right. This guy.
Morning.
Dale.
My name's Dale. I'm from Nuneaton.
So you know what, Dale? We look very similar.
We do look similar.
Yeah.
You got more hair than me.
Well, yeah, you're older than me.
Probably.
Right, Dale, tell me about this lovely car that is your Westfield. Now, if the kids would know, we can turn this damn thing round. Can we not?
So, it's a toy box Westfield FW.
Nice advert.
Yeah. Yep. It's a 2-litre Z-Tech. It's got MX ECU, Gen V throttle bodies. It has wide track suspension on it. And it also has the full digital dash, which not many cars seem to have. In the striking yellow and black, which I think is an absolutely amazing combination of colours.
So the only thing you're missing is dirt.
I like to keep it clean. I like to make sure it's a clean car.
It is definitely clean, definitely clean. Nice lights.
Nice lights, yeah. I plan to change those in the future though, because I want to get the motorbike lights at the front. But
I see the indicators, yeah?
Yes.
Fair play.
Yeah.
Bit similar to maybe this one on here.
Yes.
For the eagle eyes of you, you'll notice Westfields are all different. There's not one that's actually the same, which is quite great. It's good.
If you ever want to do any sprint,
Do you know much about this one?
that's a leap quad. I'm not going to be doing any sprint.
This is Rob's Honda S2000 with a
Nice big
line
lug
flywheel.
in
Yeah,
You can get.
very nice. Brakes don't work on this apparently.
Yeah.
there.
Still the same shape.
There's a youngster over there, we might have to have a chat with him. Okay, so a little brief introductory to a gent called Neil. He's brought along his Westfield today, so this Huggy's motorbike restoration centre. And although we all love our own cars, I think this one is probably the one to have. There isn't an ounce of muck on this car. Every single piece of it is pristine, and it's a credit to you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's really good. It's got all the right bits. It's impressing me immensely. It went well on the way in.
A lot of credit's got to go to the previous owner, whoever he was. He's done a lot of work to it.
It's fantastic.
So,
I am intrigued. What's that green thing down there? Is it a USB or something?
yeah, a little
Oh, it's
USB charger.
You've got it all. You've got it all going. Very nice.
Plugs into the bottom of the phone.
So you say you acquired this car June, July?
June,
maybe?
July last year.
June,
yeah,
July.
yeah.
So shout out to the original owner from Neil, and rightly so. He did a good job, but he's looking after it well, I have to say. He's looking after it very well. So tell us a little bit more about it. What have you got?
It's a 2-litre Z-Tech. I'm not sure of the exact specification of the engine. I know it's had headwork, camwork, set up with Northampton Motorsport. I think it's just shy of 200. I think the printout's about 196 brake.
Fantastic. I mean, to say it sounded great following it in. But look at this. This guy knows how to clean a car, that's for sure.
Mild OCD.
Is that you got OCD? Have you?
Yeah.
Yeah, fair play.
Changed a few little bits and bobs on it, as everybody does. They like to make their own mark.
Tied been on it, yeah.
Tidied up the dashboard, new GPS speedo, few bits and bobs, toggle switch guards.
Oh, that's quite.
The centre console is just a folded piece of aluminium. And just some carbon fibre, just velcros in and out, carbon fibre film on it.
Sorry, I was actually in all of the dials there, thinking I could put some of those in my own motor. So yeah, they're quite new.
I don't know whether he does, Benny.
Very good.
Yeah,
What was you talking about? What was the centre console bit you were talking about?
It was aluminium, just folded round, wrapped in carbon fibre, and then it foam mounts bolted on the side of that, and it just velcros into place.
Very good.
So if I end up leaving it out somewhere, you know, I can just pop it out and stick it in the boot. I've added the kick strips of the pedal box out and put a brake bias bar on so I can adjust front to rear. And you can pick that up down there and move it down.
There's a lot. I don't think it'll let me get in there, unfortunately.
So you can get in. Yeah. I've got the in-car adjuster to mount as well at some point, but it's all these couple of minute jobs to do.
Absolutely. They're never finished.
No.
They're never finished. Sorry if you feel a bit seasick from doing that, guys and girls. But no, very, very nice car. Very nice car.
Got Protect shocks all round. It stops, it goes, it makes me smile, as these cars tend to do.
You couldn't have summed it up better. It stops, it goes, and makes you smile.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Every single time I get out of it. I actually laugh to myself sometimes in the car.
Breathe in. Right, welcome to Westfield Sports Car Club. We've all successfully had a bacon sandwich, a lovely cup of tea and a coffee. Listen to the guy playing his guitars made out of car parts, and now we're going to meet some owners. So first one, what's your name please? Tell us
Rob.
who you are. You might have to stand still.
Stand still. Hi, I'm Rob. I'm area organiser for Westfield Club for Derby and Notts. And this is my Westfield Mega S2000.
A Mega S2000. Is that what it's called? Mega
S2000.
And why is it a Mega S2000? Just to put you on the spot. I mean, it
It's
looks
the
a
Mega
bit of a-
chassis, so it's slightly modified with a wider transmission tunnel to fit in the S2000 Honda VTEC and 6-speed gearbox, running a Sierra 3.92 limited slip diff.
Okay.
So it's S2000's a little bit different to some other cars, but
It's quite a big old lump, isn't it?
it is a big old lump. It's quite a heavy beast.
Heavy beast.
but putting out around 230 horsepower, revving to about 9,000 RPM.
Fantastic.
Quite good fun. Slightly unusual bits on this in that it's got the Reynolds front wishbones, which are quite rare. You see the aero profile front wishbones. Carbon can.
Oh, I see, yes, yeah, the aero, I can see that. I've never noticed that.
And it has a few modifications to lighten it because I'm a big fat bloke.
Can't possibly agree with that
Big fat
one.
bloke.
Nice carbon. That's
So
the
it's
carbon
running
can, yeah.
Caterham Apollo 13-inch wheels, 6-inch fronts, 8-inch rears.
Fantastic.
On ZZS tyres, Avons. Just sadly going out of production, we think. MSA bar. So a couple of trick bits like a Jack Webb Motorsport lithium battery, a few other bits and bobs, carbon mirrors. She's not a garage queen, so I bought her in exactly 3 years ago from Toy Box. Traded in my old Zetec engine car, and it had 800 miles on the clock when I bought it, 64 plate, and in the last 3 years it's done over 10,000 miles. So it gets out and about, it gets used all year round. If it's dry, she's out.
Tell us more about this area organiser. What's that all about?
Well, I'm relatively new to it, so Julie asked me to consider being area organiser for Derby Knots. So effectively we do lots and lots of meets, such as today. Breakfast meets, runs out, take the Derby Knots crew up into the peaks with Julie for tours around the peaks, and lots of cake. We do our monthly pub meet. We have a local chat group with over 60 people in it. Mostly Westfield owners, some people with MKs, GBSs, MEVs, you name it really, MNRs. Welcoming to anybody with a passion for cars, really.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we have a great sort of camaraderie and lots of mickey taking and leg pulling, helping each other out massively. Obviously a load of us helped you out with your engine issues, didn't we?
Absolutely,
Helping pull
yeah.
the engine out and put it back in.
Okay, so another fellow Westfield member here, John. John's lucky enough to own this very fetching yellow Westfield. John, tell us more about it.
Morning. Yeah, I've never even so much as looked at a Westfield just over a year ago and seen it online at Toy Box, which is local to me. Popped down there, sort of fell in love with the look of it really. Probably not so much the colour at the time, to be honest. But once I got in it, took it home, and the wife laughed at it. That was the end of that. And yeah, took it out, and it's, yeah, fell in love with them. It's just a 2 litre Zetec engine, plenty of power for myself.
Absolutely.
It's great fun.
We seem to have quite a few, this company called Toy Box. They're quite popular to us around here, are they? With
Yeah.
those stripes. Yeah, very good. You get a very good car. Nice little advert for him there.
Yeah.
Ah.